Maintenance Assets Manager web-based software. HR module for human resources. Engineer Ibrahim Hamd. Personnel salary report. You have list by all salary details for every employee inside of the enterprise. Employee ID number, employee name, employee department, employee job position, salary date. The personnel salary report includes the breakdown of salary components, deductions and allowances, salary basic amount of insurance, salary insurance variable amount, salary amount of previous annual increases, salary amount of allowances, salary social insurance deduction amount, salary absence amount, salary attendance delay amount, salary amount of penalties, salary gross amount, salary amount of taxable, salary amount of tax deduction, salary amount of last year annual raise and net salary amount.
Maintenance Assets Manager web-based software. HR module for human resources. Engineer Ibrahim Hamd. Example for our personnel salary report. Number of total records inside the system equals 1206 record. Total net salary amount inside the system for all the employees equals 6052010 Egyptian pound. Total net salary inside the system for Ashraf Salame equals 49,322 Egyptian pound. Salary for month 1 equals 4,302 Egyptian pound. Salary for month 2 equals 4,302 Egyptian pound. And so on. Employee's salary details. Employee ID. 101. Employee name. Ashraf Salame. Department. Electromechanical Systems. Salary date January 26, 2021. Net salary amount equals 4,302 Egyptian pound. With the following salary details.
Maintenance Assets Manager web-based software. HR module for human resources. Engineer Ibrahim Hamd. Salary date January 26, 2021. Basic amount of insurance equals 4,200 Egyptian pound. Insurance variable amount equals 800 Egyptian pound. Amount of previous annual increases equals 852 Egyptian pound. Amount of allowances equals 950 EGP. Social insurance deduction amount equals 600 Egyptian pound. Absence amount equals 500 Egyptian pound. Attendance delay amount equals 700 Egyptian pound. Amount of penalties equals 500 Egyptian pound. Gross amount equals 7,202 Egyptian pound. Amount of taxable amount equals 4,052 Egyptian pound. Amount of tax deduction equals 450 Egyptian pound. Salary amount of last year annual raise equals 400 Egyptian pound. Net salary amount equals 4,302 Egyptian pound.
Maintenance Assets Manager web-based software. HR module for human resources. Engineer Ibrahim Hamd.
Find all the salary records for the department. Electromechanical Systems inside the system.
Number of total salary records for the department. Electromechanical Systems inside the system equals 144 record. The total net salary for the department. Electromechanical Systems inside the system equals 740,726 Egyptian pound.
Maintenance Assets Manager web-based software. HR module for human resources. Engineer Ibrahim Hamd. Personnel salary report. Find all the salary records for the month December 2021.
Number of total salary records for the month December 2021. Inside the system equals 203 record. Out of total records equals 1206.
The total net salary for the month December 2021. Inside the system equals 1021,528 Egyptian pound.